This information is vital. I'm sharing with you what will help you, right? So if you are trading boom 1000 and you want to be catching spike, don't play this kind of shit game here. Make sure you don't play this game, because it's going to disappoint you. Boom 1000 is going to disappoint you. It can move for 1 hour without spike. Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you something very helpful. So if you're a beginner and you have a small trading account, this secret I'm going to share with you today is going to save you. It's going to save your account, and it's going to help you grow your account fast and simple. Okay, so what you need to do is to follow whatever I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, right? If you have a very small account, I want you to understand something. Remember, if you have a very small account, you cannot take proper risk management whenever you are trading. You cannot apply it completely. The reason is because you have a very small account. And now, the worst part of it is that most of us that have a very small account still don't know the particular indices that you'll be trading with that account. And that's the reason why most of us blow accounts. So I want you to simply follow whatever I'm going to be sharing with you now. I want to share with you the indices with low volatility, indices that you can comfortably trade, place your stop loss where it's supposed to be, and risk little whenever you place a trade. You know, look at the problem a lot of us have. You might have a very good strategy, okay, and maybe at the end of the day your setup might be something like this, and if the price is here, you have to buy here, okay, and your stop loss should be based on your setup and back testing. Your stop loss should be the previous low, which is after this one. Here should be your SL, right? Now you entered your trade here, even with the lowest loss size. Let's say you are buying here, okay, and here's where your stop loss is supposed to be. But if you check, if you buy here and you set your stop loss here, you are going to be risking about, let's say you're going to be risking $10, okay, then, and you have $50 accounts. You have $50 account, you are risking $10 here. Most of us, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to take this setup and we're going to set our stop loss at this point, so that we risk about, let's say we are risking $3 or $4 at this point, because we have checked our account that if we are risking $10 in a $50 account, we are going to blow the account faster, right? What we have to do is to set our stop loss closer or more tight, that so that we cannot lose more than like $3, $4 or $5, right, per trade. Now what the price does is that the price can push all the way to the downside, trigger your stop loss and push up. That then most of us are going to say that this strategy doesn't work, but you already know that this is the place your stop loss should be. But because of your account size, the account size could not be able to carry this particular trade. This thing keep happening to a lot of traders. So in this video I'm going to solve your problem. In this video I'm going to solve your problem. If you know that you have a small account, gather here, share this video to more people who you think might have a small trading account right now. Okay, now what you have to do, I want you to simply do this. Simply click here, okay, just follow me, okay, simply click here. When you click here, you're going to see all these things. Nice one. So when you are here, I want you to follow me also. Click this button here. I want to solve your problem. Click this button here, okay. When you click it, please follow me. Click on this icon here, okay. When you click it, then follow me step by step. Now mark those things I'm marking. Mark the ones I'm marking. If you have them on your quote, mark them. Mark this, then mark this one, mark this one, mark this one, mark this, um mark this one. Okay, so when you select all these things, you click on this icon again, click on that icon right there, boom, you have done, in fact you have a 50% closer to becoming profitable, with this trick I'm about to share with you. All right, you know the goal here is to save your small account from, save you from blowing that your small account. You have $50 account, you have $10 account, you have $20 account, you have $100 account. This is exactly what you need to do. Delete all those indices or index that have kind of higher volatility. What I mean is the indices that even their lot size did not even support, or did not even like help you when it comes to your trading account. Because if you put in volatility 50, right, let's say you are trading volatility 50 vs 50, the lowest lot size right now is 4 lots. Imagine when you are placing 4 lots on your small account. Some of these things, their volatility is high. Their lot size, they have changed lot sizes, and the lot sizes now are very high. Now you are trading crash 300, or you are trading boom 300 with your $10 account. What are you playing with your $20 account? That's playing. You are playing. You are gambling. You are not trading. There is nothing on earth you want to tell me that you will save this account. Even when you are flipping this account, you are just gambling. If by luck you place a trade and it goes your way within few minutes, you will say, oh, wow, you are trading, but you are gambling. There is no way it will work, because this particular indices right here, any small movement is high. The amount is going to remove from your account, or the amount is going to add to your account, is high, right? So just delete all these indices, delete them. Then when you come to VS75, pay close attention. Make sure, if you click this point, you can see I have 0.001. Make sure you don't exceed this lot size if you must trade this. Why I put this is that some people want uh, um um volatility that moves, okay? But if you have like $10, $20 account, please remove VS75, or even $50 account, remove VS75 entirely. Remove it and remove this one. Remove VS25. Simply come here, click on delete, delete this 25 and also 75. Delete 75 also. I know why I'm sharing this with you guys. Click here and delete 75. Why I added 75 is for maybe if you have up to $100 account, or you know how to manage VS75. If you don't know, please delete it and just leave these ones. Please leave this these particular indices. I have crash 1000, I have crash boom 1000, I have boom 500, I have crash 500, and VS75 1 second. Okay, so if you have this thing now, then I'm going to share with you the second secret. This particular secret, the first secret I've shared with you, by that is selecting the indices you'll be trading that will help you uh, uh, um, manage your account and take proper risk management whenever you are trading. This secret is going to save you, right? The second thing you need to know, okay, is how the price moves, how this indices moves, how this one that we have selected, okay, how they move. Okay, so if you look at VS 1000, sorry, boom 1000, sorry, boom 1000 moves in a specific direction. What I mean is that if boom 1000 is going to go up, boom 1000 will go up. If it's going to push down, it's going to push down. Okay, I know what I'm saying. If for instance, boom 1000, you are trading against spike. If the price is going to push your direction, you're going to see a very long movement. You're going to see a very long, maybe you can see small candle like this. It can move from here, more than, let's say, 30 minutes without any spike. It happens. 30 minutes without any spike. It happens on boom 1000. You can get that kind of movement. You can even have up to 1 hour without spike. It's possible. Even when you look at the candlestick formation, okay, you are going to identify all those things. Let me just share a quick example here. So if you look at something like this, you know how many minutes, each of this candle is 1 minute, right? So if you count this might be up to or more than 60 candles, what you have here. That means for 1 good hour, there was no spike at all, not even one. So the reason why you need this information is that if you know that these particular indices have this capacity, you'll be able to not to play this game that a lot of people play. Some people here play a lot of, like, some game that can actually blow the account. When you are trading, you might say, okay, I'm going to be smart. Now the price is pushing. You say, there's no spike. What I will do is that I will keep entering. As the price push, you enter a buy here. I'm going to catch spike. The price push down again. You enter another buy here. I'm going to catch spike. There's a strategy. People trade this way. Push again. I'm going to enter here. So you are now stacking entries because you believe that the price have pushed, maybe very, like, it have been long, the price have been dropping without spike, so you are likely going to have spike any moment from now. If you are using indicator, you will see all your indicator will be at over sold level, like down, more than even to zero, okay, in your indicator section. So you keep buying. At this point, the price keep going, you keep buying, and the price will keep going until you blow your account. This information is vital. I'm sharing with you what will help you, right? So if you are trading boom 1000 and you want to be catching spike, don't play this kind of shit game here. Make sure you don't play this game because it's going to disappoint you. Boom 1000 is going to disappoint you. It can move for 1 hour without spike. So if you are trading and you want to catch spike, always understand this and put your stop loss. Don't stack this way. Don't trade this way on boom 1000 because it's not going to work. Okay, so boom 1000 and crash 1000 have this ability. Boom 1000 and crash 1000 do this thing a lot. You can see here. Can you see what is happening right now? So a lot of people are seeing this, and you can see somebody will be, oh, this price have pushed up for a very long time. Let me start stacking in my buy. They will buy here. Maybe they have bought somewhere here or somewhere here. They are buying more right now. As the price keep going, they are buying. That's a joke. This crash 1000 can go a long way, right? And you're going to lose. You're likely going to blow your account. Okay, so don't play this game on crash 1000 and boom 1000. If you want to do it, try it. If you want to, I don't advise you do that. But if you want to do that, you can do it on boom 500 and crash 500. That one can actually work. Okay, but if it comes to crash 1000 and boom 1000, stay away. Okay, so these are the indices you can trade at ease, okay, without stress. You set your stop loss where it's supposed to be, and you are risking very small amount of money. If you are using the lowest loss size, you still place your stop loss the right way and you still be good, right? So this guys, if you have a very small account and you want to save yourself from losses, make sure you apply this and you will thank me later. Hope you enjoyed this video, you enjoy this premium information. Like this video, let me know if you enjoy it. Okay, let me know the indices you are going to stick to. Okay, I want you to drop in the comment section the indices you feel like, okay, I should have added, or the ones you think I should remove. Okay, and you can equally drop the reason why you think so. Okay, let me know if this video is helpful also in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.